Ito, ewan ko ang tawag ko dyan. Ano? PC, ayun. Yeah. Kasi merong time mindset kung minsan, alam ko na yan. Di ba? Eh, pero from time to time naman, may changes eh. Ayon sa research. Okay? Made fun of new co-workers or people who seem to need a hand. Nagtatawanan. Kahit na nakikita na kailangan ng tulong ng kasama, tinatawanan na lang. Mind my own business. Mind your own business. No, may ganun tayo attitude. That's why there's a need to recap or review the charter kanina, sabi ko. Review natin. Ano ba yung purpose na ginagawa natin lahat? Di ba? Nandun yun sa charter natin, sa mission and vision. Seem to always be looking for something else, even if it wasn't better. Kahit na hindi naman for the improvement, laging nagdi-delay. Because meron siyang iniisip na suggestion na hindi naman niya maipalawanan na maayos. Di ba? Hindi niya ma-explain. Gusto mong maging involved, hindi naman nilalagay yung sarili niya doon sa project. Something like that. Okay? Then, was first to leave for lunch, and the last to return. Unang nanananghalian, pinakahuli, bumabalik. Overtime, no? 1:30. Okay. So, kilala niyo na, and the best and the worst co-workers. Alam niyo na yan. Nasaan ka? Dito ka o nandun ka? Okay? Kaya mga kasagot niya. Next slide. Agit na. Okay, again. Do you recognize these people? The know-it-all. Unang tao. They are arrogant and usually have an opinion on every issue. When they're wrong, they get defensive. Lagi may opinion. Kapag sila ay mali, alam ng mali, no? Nag-explain pa, dinidepensa pa, yung pagiging mali. Kaya para maintindihan mo yung hugot niya. Okay? The passives, these people never offer ideas or let you know where they stand. Passive people, parang tawag sa kanila. Okay? Yung bang walang ina-offer, yung invite pa alam sa'yo kung ang stand niya. Wala pakialam. Di ba? The dictators, they bully and intimidate. They're constantly demanding and brutally critical. The dictators, alam nila yan, ako sino yan? Bully. Lagi nag-intimidate, no? And the yes people, they agree to any commitment, yet rarely deliver. You can't trust them to follow through. Yes lang ng yes. Oo, sige. Sige, tutulong ako. Oo, sige, gagawin ko. Buti ng deadline, wala naman. Diba? Okay? Those are the yes people. The no people naman, they are quick to point out why something won't work. What's worse? They're inflexible. The no people. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Quick to point out why something won't work. O siya mag-i-explain. Siya mag-i-explain kung ano nangyari, bakit nag-work yung idea niyo. Okay? I-explain niya yun. Pero, hindi naman siya flexible. Hindi siya flexible para i-adjust yung kanyang ugali, yung attitude, or i-involve na kanyang sarili doon. The no people. The gripers. Is anything ever right with them? Kailangan mo salamin. Is anything ever right with them? They prefer complaining to finding solutions. They call the gripers. Alam mo yung ibig sabihin ng gripers? Ito yung sobrang tandaan niya. Gripe, no? From the word gripe, yung mga accomplishment na hindi niya na-accomplish, ang daming, what do you call that? Regrets. Ang daming regrets sa buhay. Yan yun. The gripers. Lagi nagko-complain. Okay? So, all these people, maybe kasama nyo, or you're one of them, you're one of them, or baka marami ditong know-it-alls or passives or dictators or the yes people or the no people or the guiders. Kaya na bahala. Okay? Mag-lista kung sino yan. Next slide. So factors that affect performance and commitment are, isa pa, dalawang grupo, yung mga factors na nakaka-apekto sa kanilang performance, sa kanilang output, dalawa. Merong individual na tinatawag at merong organization mechanism. Unahin muna natin yung individual. Number 1, job satisfaction. How satisfied are you in your job today? Di ba? Tatanungin yung sarili nyo, how satisfied are you in your job today? Kasi this is one of the factors na pwede maka-affect sa inyong performance. Yung bang tipong hindi ka makatapos yung trabaho sa isang araw because hindi ka lang masaya. No? Niisip mo lagi yung problema mo sa bahay. Sana sa bahay na lang ako, hindi ako magtrabaho. Di ba? Job satisfaction. You ask yourself, how satisfied are you? Number 2, stress. Maraming stressors sa ating paligid, even yung katabi natin, wala tayong stress. Pero you can change your reaction, ba? You can dictate your reaction. Tayo ang namimili ng desisyon natin. Tama? So pag ini-stress ka, at nagpa-stress ka rin, talo ka. Sira ang araw mo. Di ba, no? Next, motivation. How motivated are you in doing your job? Ba't ka nandito? I would suppose kaya kayo nandito, you are fond of research, fond of doing these things. Tama? Di ba? Kaya I don't know kung bakit magiging dissatisfied here later on. When in the first place, you came here because you are fond of making research works. Di ba? Napaka-resourceful mo. You always find resources or references para sa ikaw kumpleto ng project. Next, trust. Pagtitiwala sa iyong employer. No, fortunately, gobyerno ang employer nyo, di ba? And the government is now the highest job provider in the Philippines, according to survey. Pinakamaraming employment provider ay ang gobyerno. Okay? Hindi yung private institution. So you must be lucky. Because ang laki ng kausap mo, gobyerno, ang laki na mag-iisip ng kapakanan mo. Hindi lang 5 or 10 board of directors. Nakuha nyo? You must be lucky. Next, justisya. Individual mechanism din ito na pwedeng maka-affect ng iyong performance. So pag yung justisya sa trabaho ay hindi mo nakukuha. Okay? Yung na-offend ka, no? Na-offend ka. Tapos, sinubo mo sa HR. Tapos walang naging aksyon yung HR, di ba? Justisya. Okay? Next, ethics. Yung kasama ko may ethics. O ikaw mismo may ethics. Okay? That's the question. Kasi ito, alam nyo, hindi ka alam lahat ito. Hindi yung usang marating sa personality ng isang tao. Unless maayos talaga ang palaki, no? Mga kanyang magulang. Next, learning and decision making. How bad are you in decision making? How good are you in decision making? Okay? Those are also factors. Next is individual characteristics. So ito yung pwedeng reason din kung bakit ganun siya magtrabaho. Whether good or bad performance, ito ang reason. Coming from his personality and cultural values or ability. Abilidad niya. Okay?